Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn bass notes. To begin, understand the musical alphabet from A to G. This is your foundation. Next, identify the 4 open strings on your bass: E, A, D, and G. Start by learning the notes on the E string, then move to the A string. Practice these fundamental notes regularly to build a strong base for your fretboard knowledge. Once you're comfortable with the E and A strings, it's time to master the D string, followed by the G string. A great technique is using octaves. This helps you find the same note in different positions across the fretboard. Regularly practicing scales, like the C major scale, will significantly improve your ability to quickly identify notes and navigate the entire neck. Now, let's apply your knowledge. Start by learning simple bass lines from your favorite songs. Actively identify each note you play within these lines. Practicing with a metronome is crucial for developing precise timing and rhythm. Always use a tuner to ensure every note you play is perfectly in tune, which is essential for good sound and ear training. To further your learning, explore different positions within the bass clef. Challenge yourself by practicing sight-reading bass notation, which will open up new musical opportunities. There are many excellent online resources and apps available to supplement your learning. Most importantly, maintain a consistent practice schedule. Even 15 minutes a day makes a huge difference in your long-term progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.